the President of this session, Comrade Pinarayi Vijayan, Chief Minister Shri Oommen Chandy, Comrade Sitaram Yechuri, Professor Prabhat Patnaik, organizers of this International Congress of Kerala Studies on the dais, and all the delegates and friends assembled here. It gives me great pleasure to participate in the valedictory session of this 3-day International Congress on Kerala Studies. I had participated in the valedictory session of the first Congress on the basis of what you have discussed. And you have had 65 sessions on a whole range of subjects which affect Kerala society and its future development. I would like to pick out what I consider are some of the vital issues and questions which have been addressed in this Congress and which provide, I believe, a left agenda for the development of Kerala. Our theme should be, for the future, how to protect the social gains of Kerala and to chalk out a viable future path. In that, what EMS Namboodiripad said in the first Congress in 1994, and subsequently till his death, his concern was that the social gains of Kerala cannot be sustained without a substantial increase in material production. The necessity for developing the productive forces and material production in Kerala was a constant theme when he sought to chalk out a path for the future development of Kerala. Here, we have to address, I think, firstly, the agrarian crisis which is gripping Kerala. We know that the agrarian crisis is affecting other parts of the country too. But there is a specificity, a uniqueness about the nature of the agrarian crisis in Kerala, given the fact that agriculture is dominating industry. Unless we are able to tap these resources, we're not going to be able to fulfill the struggle in Kerala for protecting the social gains, for keeping up our public distribution system, for maintaining the public education and public health systems. All this will be in jeopardy if these resources are not raised and those resources are not devolved to the states. So I know this is an important area. And therefore, Kerala, which has been in the forefront in achieving these advances, today has to struggle to see that policies are brought about which will help Kerala to protect its social gains while making new advances, particularly in material production. I'm confident, after hearing the deliberations in this Congress and listening to the reports of all the sessions, that after the suggestions that have been made, the opinions that have been